Hey Spy Ninjas, today Regina is finally gonna tell us her secret!
Tell us!
Stop with the chanting! You guys chant every time! I will reveal my secret today if you complete this challenge.
Who are you, PZ9 now?
Yeah,
That's my move!
Alright Regina, name your game and we'll beat it.
Okay, well, a TikTok challenge. Obviously, I've been obsessed with it lately.
Oh, you're talking about the hot hip new app loved by teenagers like me.
And if I lose this challenge, I promise I will show my secret.
Ooh, I actually saw one yesterday. Look, I wanna show it to you. Come on, come on.
Wait, Regina, I have a little bit of dirt on you. And I could tell the Spy Ninjas at any time.
Don't tell them, it's my secret to tell.
If you don't want me to just go ahead and tell the Spy Ninjas your secret, you're gonna have to follow a couple of rules.
Are you serious, Melvin?
For every time V screams, you gotta bark.
Bark? She does that like every 2 seconds.
And for every time Chad tells a pun, you gotta do a dance.
Melvin, why are we doing this?
Chad, V, Daniel, I'm just gonna go.
Okay, fine, I'll do it. Is that it?
For every time Daniel says, Chad,
He always does that.
you have to give me a very nice compliment. Yes! This is gonna be a fun one, Spy Ninjas.
This trend on TikTok is last to leave the circle.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Everybody get in a circle right now and put your phone out.
Okay, phone in the middle.
Alright guys, we're gonna throw one of these items up in the air and whoever it hits is out.
I don't want to get hit in the head with a basketball. That's gonna hurt.
Yeah, and the squishy, it's got a hole in it.
Whoa, it's leaking. Oh, it's squirting on
I don't want that to get hit.
Well, this is probably gonna be the safest one.
What's a squishy baseball?
Why is this a trend? This is dangerous.
Oh, Daniel, just grab your balls and let's go. Come on.
Regina.
Okay, let's get started, you guys. What are you doing there? What's
doing?
going
Let's
on?
get started, I'm excited.
Oh, that's why you were dancing like
Yeah.
that?
Weird.
I thought you were playing Fortnite. Oh, Regina! Regina, now you can hold the camera. Perfect.
Oh, no, that's not fair. It's gonna get worse from here. It's squishy time.
Squish it up.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Whoops. Squirting it, Daniel. 3, straight up. 2, 1. Oh. It hit Melvin. Melvin's talking.
I'm glad I'm out.
Why? You don't want to get hit by the old basketball.
Hurt.
Bye, you guys.
Only hurts if I throw it up really, really high. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. Here we go. Straight up. Oh my gosh. Oh!
Hit Chad.
Hit my butt.
He's out.
How's your tush?
It's too big. It got hit by the ball.
Okay, the final round. Me versus V.
And a water balloon.
Daniel, I can't swim.
There's not that much water in here. I didn't fill it up all the way. I don't know what's gonna happen. 3, 2, 1. Go!
Who got the most wet? That's who loses.
Oh,
Let's see. I'm pretty wet.
yeah, I think it's Daniel.
Daniel got both legs wet.
You win, V.
Thanks. I'm still wet though.
Regina, remember what we were talking about?
Fine. Woof.
Go out with a little bit more enthusiasm.
Is there a dog over here? Let the dogs out.
Ruff, 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 ruff.
Also, remember the other part of the plan?
You're right, Chad just made a pun.
What's going on?
Something wrong with you?
Is one of your weird ticks?
Why you keep dancing like a
Yeah.
fool?
I'm just exercising my legs, cause the next TikTok challenge, I gotta be good.
You're exercising. You gotta do aerobics.
Next challenge, we gotta do this.
It looks like a picnic table challenge.
Okay, do it.
Melvin.
All right, they don't show how to get into it. They just already start the video in it.
Oh, ow! Oh gosh! Whoa! Whoa!
Put your feet in his armpits.
Hold yourself up, dude. There you go.
Oh my gosh, this looks bad.
There you go. Okay, lock
His
it.
armpits. There you go.
Lock it. Flex your legs.
Feet.
Yeah, yeah.
They're locked as they can go.
It's not gonna pick me
Lean
up.
forward, Melvin.
That was gnarly.
We got like 7 dabs in that one.
All right, but you and me, we'll out-dab them.
I don't know if this is gonna work, Chad. Daniel and Melvin are similar in height and weight. Me and you.
I agree.
Closer. Closer in height and weight than me and you are.
That's true. I am more than double your weight. We'll see if this works.
Oh gosh.
Okay. Hey.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if I have a will in place.
Oh my
gosh.
It's gonna break.
This isn't gonna work.
Wait, your legs pass like your body.
It worked for a second.
I'm swapping out for Chad.
A little closer in weight.
And height.
Okay.
Very tall.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna be in the bottom. I have
Scared.
I have strong legs.
Tushy.
Well,
What do I do?
that's the point of it. Yeah. Then you extend your legs underneath B's armpits. Believe. Yes. Panic dab.
How did that look?
I think me and Chad did better, I think.
Yeah. Well,
The
not
first time.
not as good as me and Daniel.
Yeah, boy.
Hey.
Let me try with Daniel. Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Gosh, you're so
actually.
much taller than me. Here we go. Try to go. Ah. Oh! Your leg. Okay, we can do this. Keep those legs there. That's it. Yeah. I'm punching.
Oh, so close.
I need more weight up on my upper body. Yeah.
Go back or go back even. Oh, I feel your butt cheek falling off.
Those are my thighs.
Saggy cheeks.
Oh!
Almost.
You gotta get the exact right balance. So that time I was a little too far back.
It's close. You can
feel it
see
going
it.
like this.
Yeah.
I think Melvin and Dan did better.
I got more dabs in with Melvin.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I hit 7. I don't know why I'm stuck to that number.
What about me and V? I thought it was good.
It was fun.
Yeah.
We win, Melvin.
Yeah. Okay, good enough.
Good job.
Yeah.
All right, Regina, throughout those challenges, you missed a lot of things.
What the heck?
What's going on over here?
What's going on? Why are you like that?
I have a bad cough.
Is that what that was?
Oh, what about for Daniel's thing?
Right, Daniel?
Huh? Yeah.
Melvin, your hair looks really soft.
It actually is, thank you.
Let's do the next challenge. This next TikTok trend is a dance. People like dancing on there for some reason. Everyone thinks they're a dancer. I don't know. Might as well try it. Maybe we're dancers. This dance has been everywhere.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm so not gonna get that.
Come on.
Maybe you and Melvin should do it.
No, everyone has to do it.
I'm not a good dancer.
To me, I think dancing is a lot like fighting, but it's like more or less fighting your insecurities.
Are you guys ready to learn the dance? Yeah. The first step. It's like no.
No.
And then like one on top. I don't know what this is called.
No.
Yeah. The second part is. That's it.
What? I didn't see.
No memory.
Next move. Melvin will be good at this because you basically just punch and snap. Yeah. Okay, after the snap, you roll.
Oh, my favorite part.
Roll your body. Yeah.
I see it.
Oh, man.
I'm so uncomfortable now.
You just go like that.
Who's first?
Oh, look at the time. I have to go feed my dog.
I think that means it's you.
I don't care about your secret anymore, Regina.
Melvin's turn. Yes. Woo! That was really good.
I don't know. I don't want to see it though, because I don't want to cringe that bad.
Yes. Yes.
You got it.
I know he's so good.
I'm good, guys? Okay.
You got all the moves.
I did. I memorized the whole thing.
You got all of it.
The body roll was perfection.
She's crying from laughter. She's
crying of
So
laughter.
good.
Okay, who's next? How can you follow that act up?
Yes.
Oh, you guys ready for this?
Yes.
You ready for this? Oh,
Are you ready?
yeah. Okay, here we go. I think it's something like this. Boom, boom.
I can't do this.
You like a snake? Slither, slither. Come on, Lee.
Oh man.
Go, let's go.
I don't want my memory erased. Snap, punch, body roll, and then you finish off with this.
Regina, it's your turn.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa!
Are you ready to do the dance? 5, 6, 7, 8.
So who won the dance challenge, everybody?
I did like Daniel's a lot.
That was hilarious.
Very unique and one of a kind. I didn't know people can move like that.
Wow. Thanks, guys. I never won a challenge like this before.
Oh, no,
I don't
not.
think you did it the best.
Yeah, we're not saying you won.
I vote for V.
The fact that she mixed it with V-robics, and earlier this week we distracted hackers using V-robics.
I agree, V did amazing. I think she should win. That's 2 points for V. Hey, Spy Ninjas, I got a quick question for you. Regina's did. So Spy Ninjas, we need to make sure that Regina loses, so she has to tell the secret.
You're right, we should pick something really super duper hard. Yes. But I don't know anything about TikTok.
I got just the right thing that's super hard. So this one is the What's Our Battle into the Pringles challenge.
I'm smart. I'm good at TikTok. Partially good at TikTok. This video's gonna go viral. Okay.
You guys all know how the water bottle flip works, right? You just gotta do that into the Pringles can. Oh, you see how that almost went in there?
Melvin, you have a nice color. And Melvin, you have great eyeballs.
No, that's what I call a chip on my shoulder. Hey, Regina.
What? That challenge is over.
Good pun, Chad.
Thanks. And that's what I call a chip off the old block. Come on, right? Hey, Regina, what are you doing later?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Melvin, you love your rings.
Who knew at flipping bottles that I was so fantastic about it?
That's funny, right, Daniel?
What the heck are you doing?
But yeah, Chad. Yeah, that's the way. He's so good.
Melvin, you got great eyebrows.
Why is she complimenting and dancing so much right now? I don't get this.
Let's do this.
Melvin, you are a great dancer.
Yeah.
Melvin, did anyone tell you you're so handsome?
Oh! Well, people have told me I got some hands. You guys. I guess I do got some hands. Yeah. Okay. Wow. This is the best day ever, isn't it? Woo! Who's next?
Me and Regine and the Pringles.
What is going on?
You're next.
Let me show you how it's done. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, Daniel!
Sorry, guys. Are you okay?
That came at me so fast, Daniel.
I'm sorry.
Almost gave me a heart attack.
One more try. One more try.
Maybe not, I don't know.
You got this one, Daniel.
Okay.
I'm just gonna back up.
Okay, you got it, Daniel.
Okay, ready?
Go hit.
And here we go.
Oh, Daniel! Oh, there's water all over.
Without the cap.
Ew, it's wet.
Oh, shoot.
Melvin, Chad, you won this challenge. Do you know what that means? Regina, you gotta tell us was your secret?
Yeah, Regina didn't get any points. That means she lost.
Well, Daniel didn't get any either.
I don't have any secrets.
Perfect.
Perfect.
You can both tell us both your secrets. Since Daniel has none, you can tell us yours, Regina.
Okay, if you really want to know, it's this photo right here. I'm really embarrassed by it.
Oh, that's all.
That's your secret? That's lame. I did all this for nothing.
Yeah, I don't. Is that right,
Well,
Melvin?
Melvin was hyping up the secret for some reason.
That's not it. Go on, Regina. Tell him the real secret.
The real
Yeah, the real
secret.
stuff.
Trick us, girl.
Girl.
The secret is in your room. So let's just go to your room and find out.
To the room.
Oh yeah, we're here. Let us in.
Regina, it's technically my room too, so everybody has the right to go inside.
Thanks for inviting us in, Melvin.
Come for tea, biscuits, and secrets.
That sounds jolly, old chap.
Yeah, let's spill the tea, man.
You're so hippie.
You know.
You really want to see what my secret is?
It's this.
It's this. Right over here.
Your table, your dumb table. Oh, jeez. What, this stupid thing? You hear that?
Yeah.
Well, go ahead, Regina. Everybody's waiting.
Yeah, something's going on with this
Secret
table.
reveal. Secret reveal. Secret reveal.
Secret
Okay, just stop with the chanting. I'm just warning all of you guys, this might be really dangerous, and I don't know what harm it could do to the Spy Ninjas.
Doesn't seem like anything all 5 of us can handle. Hey, Daniel. I've already seen this.
Okay.
You guys have been warned, but here we go.
What?
What?
What is this?
What is this? What the heck? What? Oh? Whoa! What? What? This has been here the whole time?
Why didn't you tell us about this?
What is this, Regina?
I told you she had secrets.